Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. If you've been searching for the ultimate all-in-one dashcam setup with front, inside, and rear coverage, packed with AI-enhanced image quality and premium build, you need to see this. Today we're reviewing the Vantrue N4 Pro, a 4K triple-channel dashcam that's loaded with the latest in-vehicle security tech. Let's talk about the camera's system first. This beast gives you 4K UHD 3840x2160 on the front, 1080p inside, and 1080p rear recording, all running simultaneously. Whether you're driving solo or ride-sharing, this dashcam sees everything: road conditions, cabin activity, and rear-end threats. The real standout here is the Sony STARVIS 2 IMX678 sensor, paired with PlatePix trademark technology and HDR Night Vision. The result: ultra-clear license plate capture, balanced exposures in low light, and incredible sharpness during night driving. Even in heavy rain or street glare, footage remains crisp and detailed. The interior camera includes infrared night vision for clear visibility inside the car at night, perfect for Uber, Lyft, or anyone driving passengers. You also get voice control, so you can lock a video or take a photo hands-free, super useful when you're behind the wheel. Built-in Wi-Fi and GPS let you easily transfer videos, track routes, and manage footage from your smartphone. And with support for up to 512GB microSD cards, you've got room for days of continuous recording without worrying about storage. The 24-hour parking mode includes motion detection and collision sensing. If something bumps your car, the system wakes up and starts recording automatically, keeping your vehicle protected even when you're away. Installation is simple, with separate cameras and cables included. The sleek, matte black design makes it discreet and professional looking on any dashboard or windshield. Bottom line: the Vantrue N4 Pro is a powerhouse dashcam setup for serious drivers who want maximum coverage, premium clarity, and next-gen features. Whether you're a commuter, fleet driver, or Rideshare pro, this triple-channel system has your back, literally. Hit the link in the description to check the latest pricing. And if this review helped, don't forget to like, subscribe to Gadgetverse, and ring that bell for more advanced tech reviews. See you next time.